Jai Hind. Well, look who's moving to India. No, not a backpacker on a spiritual retreat. It's Apple. Yet, yes, the shiny trillion-dollar tech giant that gave us phones with no charger in the box. So why is Apple shifting its factory mojo from US to India? Let's break it down with geopolitical insider Team MND, the futurists. Now the reasons of shift are obvious, like a low battery warning, cheap labor, less paperwork, lower taxes, and of course, a lot of smiling engineers who don't charge Silicon Valley salaries. Before we proceed and deep dive, do subscribe to the channel. Not everyone's smiling with this news. One man in particular is not happy. He's orange. He's loud and he is annoyed. He's a businessman by heart, and I'm talking about Trump. It's not only about geopolitics with him, but also about his power, pride, and politics. Apple should make their damn phones in the USA, not in India. We invented iPhones. Now they give us job losses. Sad. That's what Trump says. Now here's the catch. Trump said he slammed India for high tariffs. And now Apple is going there to escape from USA. Yes, Donald Trump wanted Apple to make iPhones in America, but unfortunately, workers in America don't work for $2 an hour, and they kind of want, health insurance and weekends off. Let's see the operating cost of iPhone in two nations. iPhone made in USA about $1,200, and iPhone made in India would be around 850 or even less. Now, if you're Apple and profits make your heart beat faster, you would obviously go for the cheaper production option. It's not personal at all. It's just capitalism, and that's what Donald Trump also does. Just like the way he is a businessman, there are other multiple businessmen as well. Here's where it gets little more spicy. Both Trump and Mr. Modi love the slogan "Nation First." But what happens when two nationalists want the same multinational brand in their backyard? Tom Cook's like, guys, I just want to save $350 per phone. Let me go where the chargers are cheap and the labor is cheaper. As China becomes expensive and complicated, India rolls out the red carpet literally. Engineers are skilled, taxes discounted, political support, guaranteed platter and bonus. So while Trump tweets in all caps, Apple quietly shifts production to India. No drama, just dollar signs. Because in the game of globalization, loyalty is optional, but profit is forever. That's all from my side in this story. I hope you find this video informative. I'll see you in the next video. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.